Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever bump box. I did get this for Christmas from my mom and my dad. It's like a subscription service. It's obviously only going to be for a few months because I am coming up on 6 months pregnant right now. But before we dive into this, fun little story time. Promise it's short. If you guys recently saw my gender reveal, it's wrong. So we went to the doctor at 21 weeks and found out, well, we didn't find out, but we got an envelope that said what the gender was. We took it home. We had my brother-in-law set up some egg roulette for us. We played that. It was really fun. I had a massive headache after. And lo and behold, we're having a baby girl. We were super excited. We're still super excited, but we didn't care which it was either way. But we were like, yep, we're having a girl. We go to our next ultrasound a week later. So at this point, I'm 22 weeks. And it was in a different town. It was like a more intense, in-depth ultrasound where we got to like do, I don't even know what to say. Like it was just more in-depth. So like they focused on like every part of the baby rather than just being like a general ultrasound. And she goes, you know what you're having? And I was like, oh yeah, we're having a girl. And she goes, oh, this is a boy. And I was like, what? I'm sorry? You're joking? And she was like, nope, this is a little boy. So we're having a little boy, which is fine. We're thrilled either way. It was just super shocking, and I'm debating on if I want to take my gender reveal down just because, I mean, it's wrong, but so I kind of want to take it down for that reason, but it was still a really fun video, and like they're fun to watch. So you guys will have to let me know down below. Do you think we should leave it up? Should we take it down? I don't know, but baby girl is a baby boy, so that's all I have to say on that, I guess. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this. So I think this is December's box. I don't really know. I got it for Christmas, so I don't really know what to expect. So I have pre-opened everything. So, well, not everything. I'm doing like 7 videos, so I pre-opened all the boxes. But here is what it looks like on the inside. There's some little stuffs in there. So don't fall. First thing I see in here is this little guy. I think it's a onesie, obviously, or like some sort of clothing item. Oh, it's so little. Oh, it says 6 months. Okay. Oh, it's not that little. It says, hello, I'm new here. That's so cute. And it is white, so it's gender neutral, so you can use it for a boy or a girl, or, you know, like whatever you want to do, that's fine. Who cares? Boys can wear pink, girls can wear dinosaurs. It's fine. But super cute. So I like that. I will definitely be using that. Oh, there's a little card in here. Welcome to the family. Apparently you can customize boxes. I won't be doing that because this is in my mom's name. She did the subscription for me. There's also, ooh, okay. I'm not going to show this to you guys because I want to use this, but basically you have options that you can redeem for a free breast pump. So that's awesome. Definitely need to do that. And then it says you deserve to be pampered. And then on the back it gives you like the products and how much they're worth. So this box is worth $69.96 total. The little Hello I'm New Here onesie is by a brand called Bitsy, and it retails for $11.99. So that's cool. I love it when brands like this include prices. So packaging slip, don't need that. Oh, cute. This is a pregnancy journal, so you put your little ultrasound there. I don't know if this is like actually a notebook or if this is, oh, the big news, finding out. Yeah, okay, so it's like one of those like fill it out books. So like finding out page, then there's like a month 1, how I'm feeling. So this probably would have been something better to have at the beginning, but that is still pretty cool, and I think it's cute, and I'll probably use it. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll give it to someone that's newly pregnant. Oh, what does that retail for? It doesn't tell me. I don't see that on there. Weird. This is the Peaceful Pregnancy Tea, caffeine-free, luscious red raspberry loose leaf blend used for the duration of pregnancy. So that's cool. It says it supplies mom and baby with essential nutrients and trace minerals. So that's cool. I'll use that, I'm sure. This also doesn't tell me the price. I don't know. I don't know if there's like extra stuff in here or what. Again, I'm brand new to this, so I'm not sure on everything yet. But there's only like 2, 4, 5 things listed, and I got way more than 5 things. This is a Glow 9 Organics Balance and Natural Foot Soak. This is on here. This is $16.99. I feel like I can smell lavender, and I think it's probably this. So, oh. Ugh. That's what it looks like. It's like orange and sage, maybe? Oh, grapefruit and lavender. Okay. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. I'm excited about a foot soak, but I hate lavender. I hate floral scents, so probably won't be using that one. This is by Caribbean Brew. It's a moisturizing 2-in-1 body butter and coffee scrub. Coconut rum. $24.99. That's expensive. Please smell like coconut and not coffee. Oh, there's a seal. Ooh. Oh. Super cute. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna try this one, but I make no promises. I hate coffee, like with a passion. I know I'm weird, but I feel like I'm being kind of harsh right now because I just don't like the way this stuff smells. But I would love a foot soak that didn't smell like lavender, and I would love a, what is that called? What did I just read? A moisturizing scrub that didn't smell like coffee. Mambino Organics Youth Glow Hydrating Serum. Mambino Organics. Yeah, that's not on the list either, so I'm very confused. I don't know why. Some stuff is on the list and some isn't, but can definitely never go wrong with a good old serum. So, Youth Glow Hydrating Serum, Omega, and C Complex. What do you smell like? I don't smell anything. I was worried it was gonna smell fishy. I don't smell anything, so I'll definitely try that out. I'm not gonna open it right now, just because I have a bunch of skincare open right now, so I don't wanna like open another one, but I'm excited about that. I will definitely try it. Okay, last thing in here is a makeup remover cloth. That's awesome. What do you buy? Cloth in a box. This retails for $9.99. Okay, yeah, it's just a makeup removing cloth. Like, I don't know if you're supposed to wet it or what. Oh, it's a heart-shaped cloth? Okay, I want to open it. Destroying this box right now. Ooh, it's really, really soft. Oh, it's so cute. So there's like little hand things back here that you put your hands in, and you can like get it wet and then just like go to town, and it looks like a little heart. That's cute. I like that. This video went a lot quicker than I thought it was going to, but yeah, that is the bump box. So I will definitely be unboxing these as they come in, and so hopefully every month. I don't know, did that one say? I feel like this one wasn't like a monthly box. I think this was just like your first box that you get kind of thing. So hopefully it goes by months and not by like when you ordered it. Like, hopefully they know how far along I am. I don't know, I didn't order it like I just keep saying, but yeah, I'm excited for this new subscription. It's really cute. That's it. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings. There's a bunch coming. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.